Hello friends, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the commands used in AutoCAD, which is useful for drafting. Here are the commands which we will be discussing right now. Yes, to end the cursor drawing. If we need a square but the cursor does not end there, it moves on drawing, but by pressing ESC we get the desired shape. L and PL. L for making simple lines and for PL making polyline. What is the difference between line and polyline? Here in a figure you can see that by selecting a line we get each element of object separated. But in polyline, whole object will be selected in one click. C means to make a circle. Here for the circle, here you can see the first figure, center with radius, you can get a circle. Or for the second figure, center with diameter. Third figure, 2-point circle. Fourth figure shows 3-point, fifth figure shows tangent radius, and the sixth figure shows tangent circle, rectangle. To make a single rectangle we need command REC. Enter. POL, polygon, to make polygon of minimum 3 sides to maximum 1024 sides. Here in the figure shows 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 6 side, and different sides arc. For arc there are different figure shows 3-point, second figure shows start, center, end, third figure shows start, center, angle, fourth figure shows start, center, length, fifth figure shows start, end, angle, sixth figure shows start, end, direction, seventh figure shows start, center, radius, eighth figure shows center, start, end, ninth figure shows center, start, angle, second last figure shows center, start, length, and the last figure shows continuous. If you need the continuous arc, there is a continuous last figure. Ellipse is used to make by using command ellipse. First figure shows center, second figure shows extend, third figure shows elliptical arc. REG, to select a region we are using REG command. Array is used for making multiple number of objects using a single object. Here first figure shows rectangle. Multiple rectangle figures using rectangle array. In array there are 3 parts: rectangle, polygon, path. For polygon we are using array polygon, and for path we are using array path. Trim. Here in the figure shows a trimming or geometry. If we does not need any sides, we are erasing the object using trim TR command. SC, scale of an object. Here in the figure shows a small circle which is multiplied by 2 scale. Here you can see the large size circle. Here scaling of any object using SC command. ST, text style. You can change the text style using ST command. Here you can see The window and door is in italic style. X command to explode any polyline. In polyline, whole object is selected in one click. While exploding, each object element is separately clicked. Here you can see I have selected one element. The object is selected in first figure. In second figure, the first element is selected from the whole figure. F and C. F is used for fillet. For getting round corner, we are using fillet F. For getting slant edge, we are using CHA, chamfer. The first figure shows fillet and second figure shows chamfer. LA is used for layer properties. If we need a different object in different color, we are using layer properties. Here first figure shows column, second figure shows beam, third figure shows slab, fourth figure shows walls. With a different color, with different line style, different line weight, we can use layer properties. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us for the next video.